Hello everyone, it's me again, and today our topic is not one, but two groups of animals. They don't have fur, they don't have feathers, they are mostly of the colors of my t-shirt: green, dark green, light green, brownish green, grayish green, yellowish green. They are not mammals. They don't give birth to their babies and they don't feed them with milk. Amphibians and reptiles. Let's have a closer look at them. Who are they? Do you know any other amphibians and reptiles? Let's have a look inside my sketchbook. Here we go. Let's start with the reptiles. What reptiles do you know? I'm sure you're familiar with plenty of them. For example, a turtle, a tortoise, a crocodile, an alligator, a snake, a lizard. All of them are reptiles. Reptiles. What about the amphibians? What amphibians do you know? Look, I have two amphibians on my table. Frog number 1 and frog number 2. A bigger, browner frog is called a toad. Big brown frog is called a toad. Toad. And this one is a salamander. Salamander is also an amphibian. Amphibian. That's a strange word, amphibian. Do you know what it means? Amphibian means something with a double life. What does it mean, a double life? It means that amphibians feel great in water and outside of the water. Let's have a closer look at both. First thing they have in common is eggs. Both amphibians and reptiles lay eggs. But eggs of reptiles are hard. They have a shell. They are not easy to break because they are not soft. Not soft. They are hard. Eggs of amphibians, for example, eggs of the frog, are soft. They are not hard. That is because reptiles don't lay their eggs in water. They lay their eggs on land. For example, in the sand. You could find some eggs of turtles on a beach. And amphibians lay their eggs in water. In water, it's not easy to break them. Amphibians have eggs which are soft. No shell. No shell. Second thing, babies. Babies. Mommy turtle has a baby turtle which comes from the egg and looks like mommy. Mommy is a big turtle and baby is a small turtle. Mommy is a big turtle and baby is a small turtle. But when a frog has a baby, it will not look like a small frog. No, it will look something like this. Amphibians don't have babies that look like them. They don't. Their babies stay longer in water and then they have a metamorphosis. During metamorphosis, a baby becomes a frog. They change a lot when they grow up. They don't immediately have 4 legs. They need to change and have a metamorphosis. Next thing, skin. 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 This is skin. This is skin. Skin is very different. Skin of reptiles has scales. It is not smooth. It has those little scales. It is harder. It is harder. Skin of amphibians is softer. No scales. It's softer. You see, reptiles need hard skin because they need to be protected from the sun. Sun, they're not afraid of sun. They love sun because their skin is hard. It's protected. Amphibians have softer skin and their skin doesn't like sun very much. Their skin needs water. They need to have water around them. That's why if you see a frog, you know that somewhere near there is water, a pond or a swamp. Here is the next point, breathing. There is something different about how they breathe. You see, reptiles have lungs, polmoni. These are lungs. They have lungs and they can breathe on land without any problem. For a frog and all the other amphibians, it is very important to have some water around because water helps them to breathe. The water helps them to breathe. You see, reptiles and amphibians seemed very, very similar first. All same colors, no feathers, lay eggs, but actually they are quite different. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. See ya.